Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to convert TikTok video to a GIF. TikTok allows its users to convert videos into GIFs and share outside of the application. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to TikTok and find the video you would like to make as a GIF. Find and click on the arrow icon on the right. Go right until you see the Share as GIF option. Press on it. Here you need to decide whether you want to convert a particular video part or a whole video to a GIF. Then tap the Generate button in the top right corner of your screen. Wait until TikTok will convert. After that, hit one of the app icons, such as WhatsApp, Line, to share the GIF in that app, or press on the SMS icon to share the GIF in a text message. Also, you can click on the other icon to see more options where you can share your created GIF. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to convert TikTok video to a GIF. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.